Hey YouTube, welcome back to Product Finance, and in today's video we're going to talk about week 6 of the Dividend Challenge. We're on the second hand now, guys, and you know we're all business today wearing polos. So little news update, the riots have been kind of dying down since last Monday. The protests still going on, but a lot of places are opening up now and they're less scared of opening up. I know a lot of the malls and the plazas are now getting protected by police, and it's more peaceful now than before. And on last week it was crazy, like there's fires going on, and I think one of the Amazon warehouses got caught on fire in San Bernardino. Last I heard, they weren't sure it was due to the protests or due to natural events, but regardless, the warehouse did get burned down, and hopefully everyone's safe. But other than that, I think the market's kind of still going up. It's kind of weird why it's still going up. A lot of the money now is forecasted for the future, so I feel there's gonna be a dip soon, because I'm gonna go through some other stocks that I've been seeing that's going up that shouldn't be going up. Let's just log in today and see what we have so far. I expect to be still up from last week, or if not similar. Let's see what we have today. And today is Monday, June 8th. Will be uploaded Tuesday, usually the day after, if you guys didn't know that. Spend is officially live. We'll give you double cash back to thank you for helping us reach our milestone. I don't know what this is with spend. I'm guessing M1 Finance now has a debit card program now. It's pretty cool. But I have SoFi for my debit card. But anyways, let's go to my account. And whoa, what the fuck? It's crazy. We're up $1,385.26. What the hell? Market gain of $1,335. Dividends of $50.26. That being said, I think we got another $24 in dividends. I'll check the activity near the end of the video. Wow. Up $1,385.26. That's up a total of 15.31%. That's crazy. I don't know what to say. That's crazy. If that's the case, how much weeks do I have left in here? There's 29 weeks left in the year. Let's see. So 29 times 200. 5,800. 5,800 plus 1255, 1.25. Oh, we're gonna be really close to 20,000. Actually, when I calculate 20,000, that was actually a really unrealistic number when I did it. I'll run the calculations again. Let me actually see when we started. 6 weeks ago, right? So 6 weeks ago means that we started this plus 6. So 29 plus 6, 35 times 200, 10,000. 17,000 was the total amount that we would have inputted into the account. So we need to have another 3,000. So 3,000 divided by 17,000, I would expect a 17.64% increase in my account. We're actually pretty close, 15.31. I mean, 2% off. But that's pretty insane for me to ask for 17.64%. I think I set an unrealistic goal for myself to reach 20,000 by the end of the year, unless I add more money, which I don't plan to do more than 200 a week, just because that's what I said I was gonna do. But if I do change it, I'll obviously skew the goal to be similar to what I had already, so it's not like I'm cheating. But anyways, yeah, it's pretty crazy. Let's go to the week view here. So I do know that this is a little misleading. Just let you guys know that I did not gain $400 from June 5th to June 8th. This is including my $200 deposit every week. So in reality, I actually gained only $200 over the weekend. It's a little misleading, but you can look at the rest of the week. So you can look from June 2nd to June 5th, and you can see that we gained $500, so $11,681, and then it changed to $12,106. So yeah, it's been a pretty good week overall. Let's actually go to the week view. Let's go down and look at the rest of the stocks. Yeah, up 7%, 7%, 5%. Let's go look all. 14, 17, 14. That's crazy. 17.43%. That's actually really close to my number here. 17.64%. So if I put all my money in dividend hunting since the beginning, I would have been really close to 20,000 linearly if nothing changes, which I expected to change. Like, it should be dropping. The market should be dropping, and we'll go over that near the end of the video. But let's go to the first pie here. So aggressive ETF pie, we're up a total of $660.21, up 14.63%. So let's go into the pie here. Let's go over the week. Everything's positive except for SHY went down 0.12%. Let's go over all. SHY still in the negative 0.03% with a negative 8 cents. SHY is short-term treasury bonds, so this is actually usually a very safe investment to put in, but right now it's negative, or it's not growing. That's true, because like Federal's just printing money like it's paper. It is paper, but they're printing money like it's air. Let's get everything else here. The highest gains is obviously VOO, because it's the highest percentage, up $261.05. total of 14.47%. VB being the highest percentage-wise, 23.19%, up $153.12. A close second is at VNQ, which is real estate, 21.07%, up $47.93. I should have put more in real estate, man. I just didn't believe it. Now people are just buying houses left and right through the mortgage rate coming down. I think it shouldn't last that long, but it's proving me wrong every week. It just keeps growing and growing. I think last week it was about 14%. Now it went up another 5%. That's pretty crazy. Let's go to the next pie. Dividend hunting pie. We're up a total of $391.59, up a total of 17.43%. Let's go inside. Everything's up in terms of all. Let's go to last week. Everything's also up for last week. The highest deal agency at 19.21%, total of $214.73. Second highest is GOF, $91.38, and up a total of 14.64%. Even the 10%, 15% is still doing well. So let's go to the last pie. So last pie is growing pie. We're up a total of $333.46. That's a total of 14.58%. Let's go inside. Everything's up overall. Let's go to the week view. Everything is still up for last week. Let's go back to all. XM had a big turner here. XM is actually the biggest percentage-wise now at 25.72%. Let's go to the week. Or last week they gained 18.28%, which is a lot. I'll go into that in a bit. AT&T still doing their thing, 12.57%, up a total of $126.31. The ones not doing too well is still the pharmaceuticals. It's at 2.71% at $11.14. Let's look at the last week, how they've been doing. Yeah, they weren't growing too much, 1.28%. But let's go to XM here, man. Let's look what happened over the last week. Yeah, it just skyrocketed. So the first is right here. It's $46 and then jumped to $53. So about $10 is about 25% jump. Let's go back here. It's actually kind of funny too, because my AT&T here, I bought it at lower rate. Let's see what did I buy it at. Average share per share is $29.82, but my Robinhood account I bought it for $36, and let's see what it's at right now. It's at $33.23. So I'm down $3. I think I have 100 shares, so I'm down $300 on my AT&T still. I don't know if I want to sell my Robinhood, because I said on my last video, there's no point in me having AT&T in 3 different platforms. I have it on my Robinhood, I have it on my Webull, and I have it on my M1 Finance. I just want to kind of consolidate and put it on one. But seeing it growing like this and like kind of want to break even, I might just hold it to break even, because if I sell it at $33, I'll sell it at a loss. I might miss out on it growing right here. But you know, that's all in hindsight. We can't really predict that. So I don't know, maybe I'll just hold it for a couple more weeks, maybe 2 more weeks, and then I'll sell it and consolidate the stock into one platform. Same thing with Starbucks. I have it on my Webull account too, you guys saw last week. For that one, I might sell because I think I'm up on that one. So I'll sell it at a gain, so that's fine. But let's move on to the activity here. Today's the 8th, so I have 10 buys. And I got, on the 5th, I got 2 dividend shares. I got LQD, which was $2.07, and SHY, which is 23 cents. These are both monthly. Let's go to the holdings, last thing. Let's go to unrealized gains. And the highs of VOO with $261.05, 11.64%, which it should be because it's the highest slice in the pie. Let's look at the highest percentage. Yeah, the highest percentage is actually XM, going from one of the lowest last week to now the highest at 20.12%. And the second highest is VB, which was second highest last week as well. Not too bad. Let's go to look at the lowest unrealized gains. And SHY at negative 0.17%. GSK, which is 1.47%. And the third lowest is LQD at 4.14%. But we have a big shift between the third and fourth. The fourth is being Starbucks at 10.16%. And if your fourth lowest in your portfolio is at 10.16% gain, I'm not hating on that, man. That's just crazy. And that's pretty much it for M1 Finance portfolio. But let me show you guys one more thing why I think it's kind of like fishy that everything's going up. So this is Boeing. If you guys don't know what Boeing is, it's pretty much the airlines, the people that own the airplanes, and their stock's going up, but airlines aren't running like normal. So why is it going up? So you can tell that this jump here is because people are pricing in what normal is going to be, so they're buying it ahead of time, making the stock go up. If it all goes well, then it probably drop a little bit and, you know, kind of raise from there. But the way I see it, I don't think we'll be traveling anytime soon within the next 6 months, and people just don't realize that. And if you look at a lot of companies, a lot of them are jumping. Like another one's like Carnival. Carnival is the cruise line, and look here, same thing. It's jumping. Like, where no one's gonna go on a cruise line within the next 6 months. At least they're not gonna see the same sales that they had prior to the virus. why are things jumping, you know? And I think it's because people are pricing in the future. People want to buy it now while it's low, and people are jumping on the bandwagon. Once you see the quarterly report and that there is no income, it's going to drop back down. So I would be actually very careful and try and jump on the Boeing and Carnival, pretty much any tourist kind of stock like airline or boat. I'll be very skeptical in buying them because I feel like it's going to drop. And with all the protests going on around the nation, it just takes one person with a virus and it's going to spread like crazy for us to have a second closing. I would advise to be really, really careful, but that's my opinion. Take it with a grain of salt. I'm not a day trader or anything like that, so that's just my thinking right now. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Let me know down below in the comments how you guys doing your stocks. Are you guys above 15%, below 15%? I thought 15% is pretty crazy. So if you guys are above 15%, kudos to you, man. And lastly, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, like this content, and ring notification bells to get updates for my next video. And if you guys are interested in M1 Finance, my links are down below. You guys will get a bonus for entering. And I have my other apps in there, Robinhood, Webull, and SoFi, which is my general banking app. And I'll see you guys next one. Bye.